Here is my favourite hamstring opener. What I like about this stretch is that it is very simple and it focuses directly on the hamstrings. Firstly, place the strap around the heel of the right foot, taking hold of the strap in two hands. The arms fully extended, the hands are soft. We take the strap as we would the reins of a horse and gently work the heel of the right foot into the strap as we attempt to straighten the right leg. We start to extend the right leg towards the ceiling. Don't worry if it isn't straight away. Just keep gently pressing into the heel and drawing the ends of the strap towards yourself with the exhalation. After 12 cycles of breath, we place the heel of the left hand onto the left hip blade and draw the right leg out to the side. This is an incredibly effective hip opener. You'll see that as I draw the right leg out to the side, the left leg is active too. As a beginner, you can place a block or two or a bolster underneath the extended right leg for additional support. In the inhalation, we come all the way up and we change the clasp of the strap to the left hand. We come into a gentle supine twist. You'll see all the way through this sequence that the left leg stays fully extended. And coming onto the other side, exchanging legs, working the heel of the left foot into the strap. The arms stay fully extended. And every time we draw the toes in towards the face with the exhalation, we can move the hands a little bit further up towards the feet along the strap. Also ensure that the chin stays nicely tucked in towards the chest. And getting ready to open the left hip, taking hold of the strap in the left hand and bringing the heel of the right hand onto the right hip blade, applying a little bit of pressure as we allow that left leg to fall out to the side. We try to stop the right buttock rolling towards the extended left leg. We'll see from this angle that the right leg stays fully extended, the heel of the right foot working forwards, and then on the inhalation, you come all the way up. And take the strap to the right hand, look down towards the middle finger of the left hand, as we enjoy the effects of this supine twist. So we take 12 cycles of breath in each position. If you'd like to find out more at one of our workshops and masterclasses, please visit our events page, or you can pick up a copy of the Mind Body Cleanse book on the shop page of this website.